Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot with Motorola Edge 40 Pro. To do this, you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for settings. Now make sure that you're on top of the page and click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. This will make a screenshot. Then we can click on this button right here. It should start recording entire page. You can click on stop when you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. When it reaches the bottom, it should open automatically like that. And now you can see that we just made a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.